हेलो एवरीवन, आई होप यू गाइस आर डूइंग रियली वेल। तो आज का वीडियो थोड़ा बेनिफिशियल होगा आप लोगों के लिए, क्योंकि मैं आपके साथ कुछ लिंक्स और मेरा जो कूपन कोड है वो शेयर करने वाली हूँ, ताकि आप लोग जब भी स्मिथ शिश पे अपना नंबर रजिस्टर करें तब आपको फ्री में गिफ्ट्स मिल सके। सो इज़न्ट दैट एक्साइटिंग। आपको फ्री में ट्रायल पॉइंट्स मिलेंगे, जिसके बाद आप लोग ट्रायल प्रोडक्ट्स खरीद सकते हैं। Minimum there is 6 trial products that you are gonna get, and trust me, all the trial products can be, there are hundreds of trial products that you can choose from. So some products are full size products, some are sample size products. So just try before buying the full size product that how these things are good to your skin or hair or to you. So without further ado, let's get in the video. और हाँ, यहाँ पे किसी भी फेस्टिवल, जैसे दिवाली हो, क्रिसमस हो, न्यू ईयर हो, इंडिपेंडेंस डे हो, कभी भी देयर आर मच मोर फ्री गिफ्ट्स। जैसे मुझे अभी तक 3 लेदर पाउचेस, एक बैग, 2 परफ्यूम्स मिल चुका है फ्री में, जो उनके फेस्टिव सीजन्स में इंक्लूडेड थे। तो अभी चलते हैं कि मुझे आज इन 2 बॉक्सेस में क्या क्या रिसीव हुआ है। सो लेट्स गेट इन द वीडियो. So now I will be starting with the first box, that is the small one. Okay. मुझे कटर नहीं मिल रहा था, तो अभी ये छोटा वाला बॉक्स है जहाँ पे मुझे कुछ ओके. सो हियर इज़ अ गिफ्ट, लाइक अ कार्ड दैट इज़ फ्रॉम टी मॉन्ग, दैट इज़ 100% नेचुरल टीज. और यहाँ पे मुझे एक टी, लाइक 15% ऑफ ऑन टी मॉन्ग कंपनी का जो चीज़ें हैं उनमें मिल जाएगा. सो दिस इज़ अ गुड वन. आई कैन अवेलेबल ऑन टी मॉन्ग के खुद के वेबसाइट में भी है, और स्मिथन के वेबसाइट में से भी मुझे फ्री में मिलेगा. सो जस्ट रीच आउट थ्रू इट, एंड या दिस इज़ अ गुड वन. सी, नाउ द सेकेंड प्रोडक्ट इन द बॉक्स इज़ अ स्मिथन का जो लेदर वाला पाउच आता है वो है. MRP लिखा है 499, that is 500 rupees, 1 rupee less. And talking about the texture of the product, this is so good. Trust me, मेरे मम्मी के पास 2 है स्मिथन का, and she loves it so much. And yeah, this is the actual product. And बहुत ही spacious भी है. Like you can put your coins. मेरा पूरा हाथ जा रहा है. Okay, I can fill my whole hand into it. So it's quite spacious. You can just carry it, or like for your phones and small things. You can also use it as a small makeup traveling pouch. And the last one, I guess, or the next product, I don't know what I have received. This is nicely packed actually. Wow, this is wow, these are eye lenses from Fresh Look. One day color contact lenses. So this is single use color lenses from Fresh Look. You know, it's a trusted brand for lenses. These are not like zero power, because I'm not having any kinds of power, they were asking me. So yeah, the colors are very pretty to look at. The colors are green, and the lot number and other things are given. I will try it on the next video. Right now the lenses I'm wearing are also from Fresh Look, so I like the brand quite much. And this is the next product, that is a plump mist, face mist. So I'm using the Black Throne one, and this one I will give it a try. The next product is from Sin Botanica. It's the Argan Oil Conditioner. Okay, I'm sorry. It's Argan Oil Conditioner free from paraben, SLS and SLES. So this is on the price list of 99. These products are the small size, cute size products are my favorite, because I love traveling. And even my husband also prefer traveling whenever he gets time. We both love traveling, that's why this kinds of things are really my favorite. Yeah, I love full size product for keeping it my home, but this kinds of products will help me while traveling, when I'm going out. So yeah, this is a good one. And now talking about the brand Sen Botanica, it's made up of pure botanics, and yeah, it's of 25 ml. The uses are natural, like normal things. So you can see the ingredients, that is purified water, then vegetable glycerin and other things. So vitamin E, argan coal, compressed oils. So you can just give it a try. Okay, And the next one is a small cute, okay, I'm in love with this product, Bioderma. It's a totem cream for ultra nourishment. So some people are like, my husband who is having such dry skin, he needs moisturizer, so I'll try this one and then I will order a big one for him. But this one, after seeing so many reviews, I was planning to buy this one. But yeah, let me try on him like this product, then I will buy the ultimate bigger version of it. Now guys, this box is full empty right now. Now I will show you the next box. That's a second box. So today morning only I have received this product. The delivery person was so good. He was so generous. And yeah, uh, don't cut things like me, okay? I'm just, I do make mess sometimes. Oh my god. This is nicely packed. Hey guys, now this is how the actual packaging looks like. They have packed it so well. Now first thing first, these are two bottles or two jars from Capiva. This is a good brand, and these are like no GMO, pure herbs, cruelty free, lab tested for purity, premium quality, and GMP certified. So aloe vera from Third Desert, so you can understand how these products are. Now talking about the price, it may be a bit of costly for someone because there are different types of aloe vera gels, and aloe vera plants are now available on everyone's house. But this 100 ml cost is MRP is rupees 120. But I have seen lately that buy one get one free offer, so you can just invest 60 rupees on each and just go for it. These are really good, and you can apply it as a primer base, or it is very soothing. I have been using it lately. Even I have gifted one to my mom, and she is in love with the aloe vera gel. And yeah, that's a product. Now coming on to the next product in the box, this is from Aroma Magic's Blossom Couture or 2 bottle range. This is the anti-acne calamine pack for the acne prone skin. It treats and prevents acne. The MRP is rupees 230 rupees, and just me, I've seen my friends using it and it is a good one. Now the next, if you are suffering from dandruff, so this will be a perfect one for you. Winter आ रहा है, dandruff तो होना ही होना है. ये यूज़ करके देखो, कोई कहीं और जाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. This is infused with lemon oil, orange extracts that are rich in vitamin C or orange oil, you can say, and clemizole that is very soothing for your scalp. Just go for it. It's on the offer zone of buy one get one free. And now talking about the MRP of this product is of rupees 295 only for buy one get one policy. The total is of 750 grams, sorry, ml. That's a big bottle you get. It's only 650 ml if you look, but at 295 you're getting buy one get one free, so just go for it. This is very like budget friendly too, and easy to pour because you don't have to pump it, but rather you just and scalp massage it on your scalp. Now the next product is from Blossom Couture Aroma Magic Aromatic Skin Toner. It's for the oily skin as it tightens your pores and revives the skin for oily skin. It's of 200 ml. I'm using this one for last 1 month and I have got a good result. During summer times my skin becomes so oily, so this one made drastic change, and it's on the very pocket friendly side also. It's of rupees 195 only, so just go for it. It's really good. Now coming on to the last product. Yes, last product in the box. Now let me see, whatever I got on that box is the same things are given. Oh my god, no. I thought that box and this box will contain same products, but no. This I have received so many. What are this? Okay, these are multivitamin with the minerals, natural beetroot nitrates, fast and a vitalizer. There are 1 2 1 2 3 4 5 6 fertilizers for me. And here this you have to drop one tablet on 250 ml of water, wait till effervescent tablet dissolve completely, drink and fertilize yourself. So this I will be going to try this one, and these tablets are just free ones. And on maybe on next video, if you want the reviews, or you can follow me on my Instagram handles. Pages will be given on the description box. You can check out there. I will be listing everything, how this product has been like beneficial for me. And yeah, this maybe we can get this, you can get the full size, you will get the full size on the brand. It is an FSSI license number is also given, so it's a good one to use. It's just a multivitamin tablets, so yeah, good one. Now the next thing is this one. This is another pouch. Okay, let me check the first pouch. Now this was the first pouch, this is the second pouch. This is a bit bigger than this, okay, but in a different size. This is a square size, and this is kind of like a baggish pouch size. So this is also pretty. Now this time also I'm thinking of just giving away a product out of this. So, and this is the next product is a Nutri-Z Cocoa and Dates Delight double layered bar. So this is a, like when you want, you are like exhausted, you can just go for one bar. And this MRP is ₹60. People keep like this types of bars in their handbags. These are really handy and tasty too. These are nut crazy, and it gives you real energy, wholesome of ingredients, transparent and low calories. The next product is from the brand Bohico, and this is about the boost muscle repairs, builds lean muscle, boost immunity, aids digestive health, improve antioxidants level. So we'll give it a try. It's Himalayan hemp powder. I have heard a lot about this powder lately. Sources of edesin, protein, essential amino acids, dietary fibers, 100% natural, vegan, no preservatives, and non-GMO. So this is the like a vegan for the vegan people. Now vegan is in, but I'm not a vegan. I can't become a vegan ever. But yeah, you can try this one. This is for those people who are really vegan and want to improve their muscle, having some health issues. You can go for the bigger size also. I will give the product review on another channel, that is my Instagram handles. I'm having only one YouTube channel, that's it. I'm such a lazy person to make videos frequently, but I promise I will make it right now. Like abhi continue करने की कोशिश करूँगी, and I promise I will do. So the next product is from Nature Roots, and this is the product. This is a full size bottle or drink that you like. I will try it, then I will suggest to buy more. So this are for the consumptions instructions are given that it can be consumed for adults over 12 years old. Don't give it to much more kids. Okay, no added sugar, daily health shots, immunity support, natural well-being, and the like all the things, storage instructions are also given. It's having amla, then giloy, tulsi, turmeric, dry gingers, ashwagandha, neem, cinnamon, black pepper, cloves, zinc, ajma. Okay, you just have to shake it nicely and drink it before breakfast, like in empty stomach. Now this is the last product, and this is my favorite. Wow man, like I miss this product such, like मैं भूल गई थी इसको खाना, बहुत दिन हो गए. This is quinoa. I don't know how many people are aware of this. It is high in protein, rich in dietary fiber, filled with antioxidant, good source of magnesium. It's a handmade product. It's helping farmers. That's a good one. Zero added sugars, zero added calories. There are total fat is 2 grams for all the products. Like that is 28 grams. And yeah. Calories is 105 kcal. Quinoa is taken in breakfast or mixed in salads. You can also have quinoa in roasted form or also cook it as a side dish. It can be ground and mixed to food well. So whatever you want, you can do with it. The net quantity is 40 gram and MRP is ₹70. So that's all about today's haul. I will share another box that is coming lately. They have sent me 3 boxes. 2 I have received. And मैं सोच रही थी अभी वीडियो बना लूँ, बाद में याद नहीं रहेगा या मैं भूल जाऊँगी. I will be feeling lazy. That's why I did it right now. Or yes, if you want to share anything to me, write to me. Just write on my mail ID that will be given in the description box. and stay connected, stay happy, stay healthy, stay beautiful the way you are. Any size, any shape, any color, you are beautiful. Just believe that. That's enough, guys. You don't have to like think that I'm not pretty, I'm not that, I'm a lot taller, I'm a lot shorter. Think you have all what you have. Just appreciate for that. That will make you a better person. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, give it a big thumbs up. And if you don't, just dislike this video. And if you're new to this channel, please subscribe to this channel. If you like watching this kinds of videos, share with your friends and family and your loved ones if you want them to watch this video. And thanks all the friends, or like I don't call my subscribers but my friends, who have all the friends that have commented about many things that will be coming onto the videos. Like I will make videos on them. Thank you for supporting so much. I love you guys. Maybe I'm having a small amount of subscribers right now, but I'm okay with it. You guys loves me. That's what's matter for me. So getting 1 million, 2 million is a great thing. I will appreciate it too. But I'm having real friends who get connected to me. That makes me much more happier. That's all for today. Hope you enjoyed it. See you on the next video. Bye bye.